Have you ever noticed the signs, nature's way of speaking, whispering through the flight of birds, guiding us with unseen hands? In those moments when you feel closer to her, when life aligns and synchronicities unfold, she reminds you of the magic woven into existence. How quickly we forget to simply be alive, to inhale fresh oxygen, to feel the sun's warmth kissing our skin, to witness light shimmering across the water, a golden dance upon the river. We become dazzled, awestruck, seeing through the eyes of a child as nature unveils her radiant display. Her love stretches across eternities. She never dies, but is reborn again and again. This is the dance of Leela, God's endless play of creation, destruction, and rebirth. And this beauty in itself is worth living for. The never ending cycle, the divine unfolding. She reveals herself only to those willing to see. Open your eyes to her raw beauty, to the vastness of her heart, to the stream of life spiraling, unfolding, returning to source.